Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the return of an icon, the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. After years of speculation and anticipation, Toyota has finally unveiled this beast, and it's packing some serious surprises. Let's break down everything you need to know about this legendary comeback. So why is the 2025 Land Cruiser such a big deal? Well, the Land Cruiser has always been synonymous with ruggedness, reliability, and off-road prowess. However, it disappeared from the US market for a while, leaving fans hungry for its return. This 2025 model is Toyota's way of answering that call, and they're doing it with a fresh, modern twist on a classic. Stepping inside, Toyota has really raised the bar for this 2025 model. It's still utilitarian at heart, but with a significant boost in luxury and tech. Premium materials are everywhere, with options for leather upholstery and wood trim accents. The tech setup includes a large 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital driver's display, and a premium sound system. Toyota's commitment to safety shines through with the 2025 Land Cruiser. It comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. So, is the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser worth the hype? With its blend of modern technology, off-road capabilities, and a nod to the iconic Land Cruiser heritage, it seems like Toyota has hit the mark. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy reimagined. Whether you're an off-road junkie or simply love a durable, stylish SUV, the new Land Cruiser is definitely a head-turner. Thanks for tuning in, gearheads. What do you think about the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser? Are you excited for its return, and would you consider adding it to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in the automotive world. Catch you in the next video.